How to change the background on a picture in CapCut without a green screen. So as you guys can see, this cat picture right here, it has a normal background without a green screen. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to change the background. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on the picture. Then once you click on this picture, this option should come up. As you guys can see, you have many options right here, but you're gonna have to go on video, which is the first option. Then once you click on video, you're gonna have to click on the second option right here after basic, or it's the remove background. Then once you click on that, if you have the pro version, you're gonna have to click on auto removal, which I do have it, and it's gonna auto remove it. But if you don't have the pro version, you're gonna have to click on custom removal, and you're gonna have to do it yourself, which is free. It doesn't cost any money, but the auto removal, it costs money. Now you're gonna have to add whatever picture you want in the background. For example, I already have a sky picture right here, so I'm gonna just put it right here. Now I'm gonna have to put this cat picture on top, so I'm gonna just drag it on top. Then once I do that, as you guys can see, if I make the background a little bigger, you guys can see I have a new background for my cat picture, which before it was a normal picture without a green screen. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.